Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the website link on your Google Docs document in your Google Docs mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
To insert the link in Google Docs, first of all click on the plus symbol to open a new document. So here I just opened the new document. So you can just insert a YouTube link or website link. Here I just going to insert my YouTube channel link. So I just copy my YouTube channel link from the YouTube. Then I just going to open the document. Now you just click on the plus symbol on the top, which actually insert option of everything, images, table and everything. There will be an option called link on the first place, so which is actually I just talking about. Click this, you will see first you just paste the link, and here you just want to type the text that convey your link. So here I just going to type as YouTube channel, and after creating it, click on the OK symbol on the top. So now it's created. You can see the bluish color, which actually denotes the link has been inserted in the text. So click on this, you will see three options: edit the link, remove the link, and paste. You can edit the link whenever you want. You just click on the edit link. You can just change the text, or you can just replace the link also, or you can remove the link from the text, so the text only will be presented. There will not be a link. When you present it, you just click this, you can open the YouTube channel directly. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique.